This is an old-fashioned mocktail with CBD and mushrooms. Virginia is for Grubbers. We are back again with another Old Fashioned Friday, and this week, I've said a lot of times, we have a super unique episode. This is unique, that's unique. We've never done an episode like this to date. Today, we are reviewing a pre-made mocktail. We've done some pre-made Old Fashions that are already in a jar, get them at the liquor store or whatever. We have not done a mocktail at all, let alone pre-made or made at a restaurant or bar. So today, we are featuring Little Saints Old Fashioned. It's not only a mocktail, but it has CBD, terpenes, and reishi. Now, what are those, you're probably asking? One of them, CBD, I'm familiar with. I take CBD pretty much every day before bed. Just relaxes you, makes you sleep. It's an extract from hemp. A lot of people are aware of it. A lot of people are starting to use it more and more. It's starting to become very popular. What is terpenes? It's on the can. Terpenes are aromatic compounds that have the power to naturally lift your mood. Sounds like a win to me. It's like smelling fresh pine in a forest. A terpene experience is next level plant magic. I mean, it says it on the can, must be true. And then the reishi is reishi mushroom extract. Note, just because it says that there's mushrooms in it and that there's a reishi mushroom extract, it says specifically on the box, these mocktails do not contain THC and they do not make you high. They do contain plant magic that make you feel good. So it's supposed to make you feel good. Now, we bought the variety kit. So they have like an espresso martini, they have like a mule, and then they have like an old fashioned. Price point, $28 for the 4 cans, so $7 per each can. Not too bad, because you're only getting 1 drink out of it, but you know, it's better than going to the bar. This is gonna be more expensive there. Okay, this is Bob, everyone. Bob. Maybe over there. Bob. Okay, he's almost done. There we go. And special guest Bob, you know, maybe we'll give him a whirl. I mean, I'm sure it can't hurt. So here we go. Little Saints, fast acting, old fashioned. We're gonna rate these on 3 scores like we did the last pre-made old fashioned. 0 through 2 on appearance, the packaging, 0 through 4 on first sip, and then I'm gonna do 0 through 4 on overall, but I'm gonna come back 2 hours after I drink this to tell you how I feel. Did it lift my mood? Am I a lot happier? Do I feel worse? Et cetera, et cetera. And I'm gonna give you the last score 2 hours from now. I feel like that's the best way to do this. Without further ado, let's get it going. Woo, sounds good. It says, you can serve it on ice, you can serve it chilled. This was chilled. I don't have ice. I'm not necessarily sure that water or diluted ice is gonna benefit the flavor in any way, shape, or form. And I also want you guys to kind of see the coloring. So here we go. All right, it's got like looks kind of like an old fashioned, you know, yellowish, orangish little tint, little light, but well, that's the pour, that's what it looks like. So let's jump into the appearance. This is what it looks like. Looks like a normal carbonated drink. The packaging itself, I think is cool. I mean, dope coloring. If you're gonna sell like mushroomy plant extract type stuff, I think the colors are on point, branding is on point. I like the fact that the cans are small. You can pack them, you can put them in your pocket, you can throw them in a bag, whatever. I think the packaging and everything is dope. I'm gonna go 1.9 out of 2. Pretty much close to as perfect as you're gonna get. And here we go, first sip. I don't know what to say. I mean, does it taste like an old fashioned? Kind of. Does it taste like a drink that would have CBD, plant extract, terpenes, and reishi, which is a mushroom extract in it? 1,000,000%. With that said, it's not the best tasting experience. You can smell it too. It's not bad by any means, but I wouldn't say if you drink this, this is like flavorful and it's good. I know I'm only supposed to do one sip on the first sip, but that threw me off so much. I didn't know where to go with that. I don't know. I mean, it just tastes like plants, which I'm used to eating and drinking, and not like, it tastes like wood, actually. Like if you're drinking just wood. 0 out of 4, I'm gonna have to go like 1, because again, this is not a super enjoyable experience, but I do have high hopes for the overall, because again, they said they contain plant magic that make you feel good. So I'm looking forward to feeling really good in about an hour or 2 from now. And if you guys want to check them out, I mean, again, it's called Little Saints. So you can just Google that. I believe if you want to get 4 Old Fashions, it's $27. And if you want to do the variety pack to kind of taste each one, $28. So Little Saints, here we go, finish this up. There's a little note. Put a smile on your face and a sparkle in your mood. I mean, they got quotes for days on the packaging. A note of gratitude. Thank you for your support. Are 100% female owned. It was just International Women's Day. That's dope. Female owned, value-based company. I dreamt up this plant magic mocktails during the pandemic when I decided I was sick of feeling hungover and wrinkly from too much alcohol. I can dig and relate. And I wanted to create a more sustainable plant magic based way to make us all feel good. I hope you have as much fun with these as I do, with lots of love. Megan Klein, founder, and she calls herself the Terpene Queen. I mean, you're talking to the Old Fashioned King, I gotta support the Terpene Queen. I mean, anybody who calls himself the Terpene Queen has to be the Queen of Terpenes. Anybody who calls himself the Old Fashioned King has to be the King of Old Fashions. It just is what it is. So Megan, salute to you. That's awesome. Finish this last swig. I hope I feel like incredible when I'm done with this. All right, I'll be back in 2 hours. Peace. And we're back. 0 through 4 on the overall taste and how I feel. I do feel pretty zen, I'm not gonna lie. I don't necessarily know if I feel like it's like, oh, you're just gonna be in way, like a way better mood. I just feel very relaxed and at ease. Maybe that's how I should feel. Who knows? I don't know. I don't know how to explain it, but I do know, I feel like if you're having a bad day or a bad week, or maybe you're somebody that is anxious frequently, or you have anxiety issues, I feel like this would be an incredible tool to utilize if you're looking for something that's natural and you're just not, you know, taking drugs or whatnot. Because this definitely made me feel more relaxed and at ease. Yeah, I mean, that's just the best way to put it. You feel very zen and just kind of like, I mean, it's also a nice day. Like, I got the wind chime going, you know, it's like, I feel like I could sit out here and just like look at the tree, the same tree for like the next 2 hours, and I would be very content with that. That's how I feel. 0 through 4, I wasn't feeling like anxious, or I didn't have a bad day or a bad week. I actually had an incredible week. So it's not like this helped me because I was already feeling pretty good. With that said, I'm gonna go 3.5, and the majority of that is based off of the zen feeling, not necessarily the overall taste of the cocktail, because like I said, it was a 1 flat for the first sip. So 3.5 plus 1 is 4.5, and I think I said 1.9, 5.5, 6.4. 6.4, not bad. Mocktail, Little Saints, Plant Magic Mocktails. Virginia is for Grubbers. Cheers, guys.